Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a YouTube intro in Capcut. Let's begin. Creating a YouTube intro in Capcut is a simple and effective way to kick off your videos with professional touch. So if you haven't already, you might want to download the Capcut app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. And then open the existing project that you wanted to work with, or if you haven't already, just click the create a new project if you want to start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file. And to create a video or intro in the video, what we need to do is to import the media that you wanted. It could be clips, images, or music for the intro. In my case, I am working with a specific file, so it doesn't have an intro yet. So you have multiple options here. You can click the overlay option at the bottom part corner, wherein we can add. You see the plus button that says add overlay. I want you to click on it. From the overlay section, go to the library tab. And from here, you can type in, for example, YouTube intro. Let's type in YouTube intro. So let's see what we got from here. So we have all of these. Now, if you find any videos that has a pro watermark, you might want to skip that because it requires a pro subscription. For example, we're going to be using this one. Let me click on it. And then try to see it. If this is going to be something that will interest your intro. If you like it, just click the add button. It would be added to the section right here. But the thing is, we need to make it on the intro. So we're going to decrease this. We're going to delete this one. And put it in the first one. So this is going to be our intro. All right. And then we can add more elements. For example, a photo after that. For example, this. All right, so you have a photo and an intro wherein we can drag this. So let's play it through. Amazing, right? So we have all of these. Of course, you can shorten the length of the intro, so we can add more information here along the way. So let's try to play it from the very beginning. And then once you're happy, just click the export button on the top right corner to save it to different file formats, or maybe send it to your client for feedback. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.